Hiya, James Braithwaite here, if you can see me properly. Grim face at the wheel of my van. I'm on the Woodhead Pass, or the A628. I thought I'd beat the M62 or the M67 traffic coming back from Barnsley, but fine power of good that turned out to be. I'm just not used to using this during the week. Anyway, I hope my good friend Kieran will be pleased with what I've picked up. I guarantee it won't be a nasty shock. He'll know what that means. Okay. Well, I might as well show you some of the beautiful view while I'm stuck up here. Just a moment. There we go. And it's better on the other side, but the traffic's still moving, so I can't move the camera. It's a bit of a pain. As you know, this isn't a dash cam, it's my portable. It's just my ordinary camera that I take my usual films with. But this looks like a little opportunity. Let's move it to that side. And all the beautiful view out of the window of my Astra Envoy X-Police van. And some of the wiper blade. Okay, till next time.